If you want to get the best rotary tool according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position, we have GOXAWEE Rotary Toolkit. Whether it's for crafting, metalworking, or woodworking projects, the GOXAWEE Rotary Toolkit offers an affordable way to get to work. More than 100 attachments and accessories come with this handy tool so users can tackle stone, glass, or metal engraving, cutting, wood carving, model making, metalworking, and more. It features a 1.3 ampere motor that generates speeds between 8,000 and 30,000 RPM. It came with all the accessories most dyers will ever need, including cut-off wheels, grinding stones, sanding discs, and polishing wheels. It also came with a guard collar for safety as well as replacement brushes for maintenance. It ran smoothly and had enough power for most tasks. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Dremel 4305x40 High-Performance Rotary Toolkit. When it comes to choosing a top-tier, high-quality rotary tool, the Dremel 4300 is certainly near the top of the list. This powerful corded rotary tool features a 1.8 ampere motor with a speed range between 5,000 and 35,000 RPM. It comes with a detachable work light, a universal chuck, and several accessories including grinding and sanding wheels, cut-off wheels, carving bits, and more. All of these items are stored in the hard case to keep them safe and organized. During testing, the Dremel 4300 proved to be incredibly powerful. Even when cutting through thick steel, it barely slowed down, meaning it was able to cut through faster than any other model. We really like the detachable work light on the collar, and removing it and swapping it for other collars was a breeze. It's also worth noting that this kit came with the best accessories, including Dremel's Easy Lock cut-off wheels, which don't require a tool for swapping the disc on and off. The number 3 position is held by Dremel 3002x28 Variable Speed Rotary Toolkit. The Dremel 3002x28 Variable Speed Rotary Toolkit drops the power to 1.2 amperes but keeps the versatility to reach 35,000 RPM, more than enough for carving wood. The smaller motor makes the rotary tool easier to handle for careful, precise cuts, but still affords the user enough power to easily move through the wood. When we took the Dremel 3000 in hand, the first thing we noticed was its excellent grip shape. It contoured our hands nicely, and the rubber grip made holding onto it easy. We also like that it came with plenty of accessories, including accessories for cutting and carving wood. Also, the collar fits over the collet to act as a wrench, meaning bit changes are toolless. Next at number 4 we have DEWALT Rotary Saw DW660. Accurately and easily cutting through material is the only task DEWALT focused on when designing the DW660 rotary saw. The 5 ampere motor offers more power than most rotary tools need, but it is perfect for cutting through thick drywall, tiles, or even up to 1.5 inches of birch wood. It offers 30,000 RPM as well as toolless blade changes. We like that this DEWALT rotary saw is so powerful and heavy-duty, as it truly can handle a variety of materials. We also like the toolless blade changes. We really like the adjustable depth of cut, as it's less likely to snag insulation or a wire behind drywall. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Milwaukee M12TM Rotary Toolkit. This cordless model utilizes the company's M12 batteries to produce speeds between 5,000 and 32,000 RPM. It comes with a battery, a charger, a set of heavy-duty cut-off wheels, and a tool-less chuck for easy bit changes. Despite being cordless, this model had power to spare, cutting through steel quickly and easily. We also really appreciated the cordless portability. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.